Welcome back YouTube, VST here, NSP Tech. This time, my man Ujval told me about the One UI icon pack. Now, One UI icon pack has been created by Pasha Puma Design, and I have a feeling I already reviewed some of these applications. They're really very nice. What is the power here, guys? The idea is the following. This One UI icon pack is inspired by Samsung One UI 5 with Monet support for Android 12 Plus. But what does Monet support mean? If we click about this application, we'll find out here that One UI Dynamic Icon Pack is meant to support the Google Material U. So the idea here is every time you change your wallpaper and you reapply the icon pack from Theme Launcher, you should be able to get this very nice view. So I decided to give it a go, and do you know why? Stock, when we go to the wallpaper, we go to color palette, guys, and we apply the palette to the app icons. I was very frustrated from the fact that not all of the icons support theming. So we can just see how beautiful the Samsung stock applications icons are, like messages, like the camera, but also Chrome, the Play Store, everything from Google, right? And guys, I go here to my social folder and it looks like a bad Christmas, very flashy, very shiny, so I'm not happy. I decided to give it a go. I'm going to buy this application right now, guys, test it with you, and yeah, I just hope that it will really deliver what has been promised. So my idea really is to get a screen full of theme icons. Let's test. Payment successful, guys. Now I will be able to install the application. It's 40 megabytes, so I really hope that all the required icons are there. Now I'm gonna wait for the app to be installed. Have in mind, if you're using One UI like I do, guys, how do I change the colors of these icons? After changing the wallpaper or the accent system, meaning the color, you need to reapply the icon pack. Now, some launchers support this automatically. Now, that's not the case for One UI. So to activate the Monet on Samsung devices, we need to go in System Settings. We need to choose the wallpaper, set the accent, and then we need to go into the launcher setting and select a Monet supported icon pack. For Samsung stock launcher, which is One UI Home, the one that I'm using, you have to apply icons through Theme Park. All right, guys, so let's just try to do this. I have here now the One U icons, so let me just wait for them to be installed. And in the meantime, guys, I will launch Good Luck and I will go to Theme Park, where I should be able to install the so-called third-party icons. Let me launch Theme Park. In the meantime, I will do one more check and just see if the One UI pack has been installed. It's there. What happens when I click on this? Boom. Checking the license, guys. Very important. Success. You can download the app from the Play Store. 30,000 icons, guys. Now let me just see if I just get this correctly. It has almost 11,000 custom icons, guys. So it really looks crazy. It's a better version, right? Let me just see here what we have. We have the settings, where apparently you have a theme. You can choose auto and dark, languages, changelog, clear the cache. When you go back, by the way, we have also other options here as well, so we can just click apply. I have Nova installed on my phone, and here, guys, you can just see all the supported launchers. It's really a huge list. Of course, One UI Home is not there, so again, like I told you guys, what we need to do is we need to go and do this through Theme Park. So let's check how we can apply the One UI icons. I am right now inside my Theme Park. I'm gonna go to the icon section. I'm gonna click on Create New. Now, guys, you need to pay attention. It's very tricky. I need to click here. That's an icon, right? Icon pack. Then I have the option to select third-party icon packs. I will now load the One UI. Guys, I think the preview should already give us an indication what to expect. After you exit the icon creation menu, guys, and you have already your themes with the icons, it's very important to apply it, because if I show you here, my desktop, yeah, not good. And by the way, I'm now back to originals. So how do we apply it, guys? How do we get this? Click One U, the theme that we just created, and press apply. And if everything works now, we should be finally be able to experience the magic. Wow, let me just take a screenshot. Oh, that's beautiful, beautiful. This is absolutely beautiful. And you know what, I'm actually going to share this with my mate Ujval, who's been helping me, by the way, and sending me some great stuff, guys, some great plugins, and we hope to find some time to do also videos about this. But anyway, now back to the icons. Finally, guys, finally here, proper theming. This looks absolutely cool and insane. Everything, absolutely everything is themed. Let me just go in the app drawer. 100% themed. Okay, 3D Mark not themed, but overall, oh yeah, I have some, of course, local Bulgarian apps, but the majority of my applications are themed. SoundCloud, Expert Raw even, okay, Revolut, yeah, this looks amazing. Currently, only 3 icons not themed on my main home screen is my banking application, my OLX where I get second-hand stuff, and my mobile operator. But everything here looks beautiful, and now I'm going to show you guys how you're able to change the accent color. Now let me show you guys how we can change the accent color. So I'm going to go to wallpapers and style. I'm going to set another wallpaper that I downloaded, which I think is actually quite nice. And if you like those wallpapers, let me know. I will upload them to Mega Guys and give you the links. So guys, once I'm here, right, I'm going to choose a wallpaper color. Now let's go for, okay, let's go for the automatic one, all right? So the wallpaper and the color palette is applied. As expected, the icon theme didn't change. So we need to go to Theme Park, Keys Cafe, and apply one more time the icon pack. Now guys, I tried reapplying standard icons and then applying the icon set that I created. Didn't really work. So the only thing I will try right now is create new. So I'm gonna again go here, choose the icon pack, right, load the image, just save it under a new name. So here this thing is dancing around. I will now hit and apply it. And now guys, if everything worked correctly, I really hope it will, I should be able to get my new icon pack. This is really amazing. Let me just try to message Ujval as I'm doing this video, because I'm really excited. And he needs to know, I mean, this is absolutely mind-blowing, guys. Honestly, I don't know why this is not Samsung stock functionality. If you like this, guys, let me know down below in the comments. Go download and pay this, I think €2 or $2. Absolutely deserved by this guy. So the One UI icon pack, absolutely amazing. Pasha Puma, the design, guys, go install it. It's really crazy, guys. You can just see I finally get here a feeling of a real material view. Many thanks to my mate Ujval. And guys, if you like content like this, don't forget to support the channel. We'll see you over and bye.